Hey everyone, Uncle Gary here. This episode we're putting the rafters up. And in the previous episode you can see what we did. I got it all the way from cutting the logs to framing the walls to sheeting them, and now we're installing rafters. I pre-cut all the rafters before we came up, and it actually makes it so much nicer. All you gotta do is I screwed the first two together. Gonna put them up there and just like putting a great big old puzzle together. Thing is, when you're working a one-man band, gotta make it as easy as you can. And all the top plates are pre-marked where the rafters go. Makes it so much nicer. Another beautiful day, not too bright a sun. And they're going along quite nicely. See, I got the door installed and the window installed. I don't know what happened to the video of me putting them in, but it's gone. That's what happens when you're got a big production budget. Things happen. Now on the slope of the roof, the ends are the same slope as the sides. So in other words, I think, if I remember right, this is like a 5/12 pitch. So on each end is a 5/12 pitch. And if you want to see how I pre-cut these rafters, I got another video about how I did it before I actually came up here. I actually built like a little mock-up on sawhorses. Ground level. Easy to do. And if you don't do these roofs very often, that's what you want to do. Because you can make the mistakes down there, and when you get to your shed, you look like a professional putting these rafters up. Oh yeah. Trouble is, there's no one around watching. Does make it easy though. And I tell you, I must climb up and down that ladder 100 times a day. You get pretty comfortable climbing up and down on ladders when you're working by yourself. Now I actually had a radio playing, so I could not have the sound, the volume up on my recording because YouTube would have got me for copyright infringement. So you're just going to have to use your imagination of what it sounds like with me hammering them nails in. Going along quite nicely. See the ends of the rafters? I actually pre-stained them. I figured, what the heck? I don't have to get that stain all over me. Stain over my head. Now I didn't put a ridge board in. I didn't feel it was necessary. It's such a short distance. What the ridge board does is actually keeps the rafters in a nice straight line. But I was talking about what, like a 4-foot length in between the center after you put the two ends in. It worked out. Yep, up and down them ladders. I think those are called jack rafters. I call them pretty easy when they're all pre-cut. Hey, if you liked what you've seen so far in this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, watch the other episodes, especially the one on all this lumber we're using. Yeah, we cut it out of old logs I had laying around. The door, that came out of another project. The window came out of a different project. The floor sheeting, that was repurposed from a different project. Pretty much this shed is done on the cheap, and it's 8 by 12. And I think it's a full 8 foot tall. Man, everything's going smooth. Yep, just about ready to start the other end. Yep. What's that meant? Top step is not a step. You're not supposed to be standing on it. Don't do this at home. It's called hot ladders. Jump from one ladder to another. I don't know if you noticed, I got eye protection on. When you're using hand nails like that, sometimes they fly up. And them hit me in the cheek before. Man, everything's going smooth. go a lot faster if I had a pneumatic nailer I was using, but like I said, I got all these 16s, we're using them up. I think they're even hot dip galvanized. Might have been spirals, maybe ring shank. I had a lot of different nails. Sure wish I moved that fast and real. Look at that. They're side specific. Must be I bent that one. Yeah, but we got her in. That's what's nice about using boards for sheeting, roof sheeting. If you're off a little bit with one of the rafters, one way or the other, boards don't care. If it was plywood, I'd be double checking my measurements, make sure the edges of plywood hit the rafters. Up and down them ladders, up and down them ladders. Boy, this job's going along sweet. Best thing is I haven't fallen off a ladder once yet. I kind of like the hip roof. You don't have a gable end to sheathe up, side up. Also, I think the wind flows over it a little bit better. It's an old style roof, you see them around. It is a nice shed. I'm thinking is that the rafter I've been looking for? You know what? That might have been the rafter I was looking for. You know what that one was? Yeah, that's the last one. Are you kidding me again? Oh. Well, there's what it looks like on the outside. See those blocking up there? I put them in so the birds wouldn't get inside or the bugs, but I left that one back there so the birds could actually build a nest on top. Hey, and it worked too. Thanks for watching. Now it's time for the skunk and the woodchuck and the mouse. Next video.